Let us learn the sounds that the insects make. Here are the sounds that the insects make. The bee goes buzz, 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 buzz. The bee goes buzz, 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 buzz. The cricket goes creak, 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 creak. The cricket goes creak, 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 creak. The cockroach goes hiss, 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 hiss. The cockroach goes hiss, 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 hiss. Let us learn the sounds that the insects make. Here are the sounds that the insects make. The fly goes hum, 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 hum. The fly goes hum, 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 hum. The grasshopper goes chirp, 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 chirp. The grasshopper goes chirp, 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 chirp. The mosquito goes whine, 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 whine. The mosquito goes whine, 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 whine. Let us learn the sounds that the insects make. Here are the sounds that the insects make. The beetle goes drone, 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 drone. The beetle goes drone, 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 drone. The butterfly goes click, 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 click. The butterfly goes click, 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 click. The cicada goes chirp, 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 chirp. The cicada goes chirp, 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 chirp. Here are the sounds that the insects make. These are the sounds that the insects make.